Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best torpedo levels on Amazon. A torpedo level generally shorter than a foot, they're designed to make it simple to know when something is, well, level. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Cooltech Multi-Purpose Laser Level. If you want a level that does more than just check the level, this is an ideal choice. It's good for doing small hanging jobs, but it can also be used for installing shelving, laying flooring, hanging wallpaper, and more. In addition to the level, it has an 8-foot-long tape measure that includes imperial and metric linear measures, with graduations down to 1/32 inches and 1 millimeter. The laser light on the level has an on switch. The triple-positioned leveling bubble works with the laser level to provide the most accurate results. Separate from the tape measure, one side of the 7.5-inch long level is also marked as a 6-inch ruler. It comes ready to go with a 3x13 button cell battery. Accuracy limits this tool from seeing professional use. And while it's a great concept, it's best for quick jobs where precision isn't critical. Also, the plastic body is fragile and not cut out for the abuse it will see on the typical job site. Number 2. Klein Tools Level. Starting with a useful design, this level provides users 2 ways to use it hands-free. Ideal for metal conduit bending, the level can be held in place using magnets which are held in place with a special track or the thumb screw on the end. It's also grooved on the bottom to make it rest on conduit or other round objects you're trying to work on. Those 2 options make it ideal for a lot more than just conduits as well. Its bright orange coloring makes it easy to find in your toolbox as well as when it's resting on whatever you're trying to make level. At 9 inches long, the Klein Tools level boasts large, easy-to-read, high-visibility vials at 4 angles. Level, 90, 45, and 30 degrees. It also can be read from the top, allowing for more readable angles. There isn't anything to not like about this level. Number 3. Johnson Level and Tool 3-Beam Laser Torpedo Level. Johnson may have taken our pick for best value, but that doesn't mean they only focus on budget-oriented tools. This is a laser level and gives you the ability to double-check accuracy in many ways. You can set it up to make sure your pipe is perfectly pitched from just one position. Or you can use it to ensure the bookshelf is on the money across the room. You can even make sure your lights are hanging right where they need to be. It's pretty handy when you use the laser function, but you can use it as a traditional torpedo level whenever you need to. It's got 3 different vials and a magnetic base, meaning it's pretty much the only torpedo level you'll need. This tool does have its limitations and isn't something to use for unusually large projects. For use in average-size rooms, it's perfect. Anything above average or for tasks such as building fences, accuracy becomes questionable. Number 4. Swanson Tool Company 9-inch Magnetic Die-Cast Torpedo Level. Here we have another high-quality level you can score for a reasonable price. This is a great little level to keep in your tool belt, your toolbox, or your pocket, no matter where you are working. It has a total of 3 vials to allow you to check pretty much anything for level, and it features a magnetic base. That means you can make measurements without shaky hands interfering with the accuracy. It also features a V-groove for use with pipes and round stock, and the top red vial allows you to use it in any position. It is constructed from extruded aluminum and features sturdy vial construction so that you don't have to worry about it getting banged around while you work. We can only take away points from this level because of some reports of poor manufacturing. However, it doesn't appear to be a common issue, so you might not ever encounter problems with this option. Number 5. Stabila 10-inch Die-Cast Rare Earth Magnetic Level. Stabila is back again and happens to be our final entry. If you liked our first entry but are interested solely in the torpedo level, this is it. This level is going to be superior accuracy and reliability even through years of use. It has a rigid die-cast frame that's precision machining ensures a level surface. It also features a robust powder coat finish to resist corrosion and abuse. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.